6 healthiest and easiest chicken recipes. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. These 6 healthiest and easiest chicken recipes focus on using wholesome ingredients and simple cooking techniques, which makes them perfect for busy folks like yourself or even families. Not only are these recipes incredibly delicious, but they are also packed with essential nutrients and are low in calories and fat, which means they're great for weight loss, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, or simply enjoying a nutritious meal. Number 1. Green bean recipe, 370 calories. Looking for a delicious and nutritious chicken recipe? Look no further. Our green bean recipe is a perfect choice for a healthy and satisfying meal. Packed with flavor and wholesome ingredients, this dish offers a range of benefits for your health and well-being. Green beans are a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an excellent addition to any diet. They provide essential nutrients while being low in calories, making them ideal for weight management. Combined with lean chicken, this recipe offers a good balance of protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 pound or 450 grams chicken breast cut into strips, 1 pound or 450 grams green beans trimmed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a green bean recipe. Number 2. Roasted chicken and peppers, 310 calories. Roasted chicken and peppers are a delicious and nutritious dish that offers a range of benefits for your health and well-being. This recipe combines lean protein from chicken with the vibrant flavors of peppers, creating a satisfying and low-calorie meal option. Chicken is a great source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Peppers, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, providing a boost of nutrients to support your immune system and overall health. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 bell peppers any color sliced, 1 onion sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried herbs such as thyme, rosemary, or oregano, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a roasted chicken and peppers. Number 3. Chicken curry, 490 calories. Chicken curry is a flavorful and satisfying dish that is not only delicious, but also offers several health benefits. This recipe combines tender chicken pieces with aromatic spices and a rich, flavorful sauce, making it a popular choice for chicken lovers. The spices used in chicken curry, such as turmeric, cumin, and coriander, provide additional health benefits. These spices contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that may support overall well-being. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound or 450 grams boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into pieces, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1-inch piece of ginger grated, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a chicken curry. Number 4. Avocado chicken salad, 390 calories. Avocado chicken salad, 390 calories, is a nutritious and delicious dish that offers a satisfying blend of flavors and textures. This recipe combines lean chicken breast with creamy avocado, crunchy vegetables, and a zesty dressing, making it a perfect choice for a healthy and filling meal. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit that provides healthy monosaturated fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, It offers numerous health benefits, including supporting heart health, promoting satiety, and providing essential nutrients for overall well-being. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound or 450 boneless, skinless chicken breasts cooked and shredded, 1 ripe avocado peeled and diced, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, 1/4 cup cucumber diced, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro chopped, juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making an avocado chicken salad. Number 5. Chicken salad 320 calories. Chicken salad is a versatile and healthy dish. It offers a delicious way to incorporate lean protein into your diet. This recipe combines tender chicken breast with crisp vegetables, flavorful herbs, and a light dressing, making it a satisfying, nutritious option for a meal or snack. Including chicken in your diet can help you feel fuller for longer, making it a great choice for weight management and overall health. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts cooked and diced, 1/2 cup celery finely chopped, 1/2 cup red onion finely chopped, 1/2 cup grapes halved, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons light mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon fresh dill chopped, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a chicken salad. Number 6. Pesto chicken pasta, 410 calories. Pesto chicken pasta is a flavorful and satisfying dish that combines lean chicken breast with vibrant basil, pesto, and whole wheat pasta. This recipe provides a balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, making it a delicious and nutritious option for a wholesome meal. Basil pesto, made with fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil, adds a burst of flavor and provides essential nutrients like antioxidants and heart-healthy fats. Whole wheat pasta offers fiber and complex carbohydrate that promote sustained energy levels. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: 8 ounce, 225 grams whole wheat pasta, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts sliced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup basil pesto, homemade or store-bought, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves for garnish. And here are the instructions for making a pesto chicken pasta. And that concludes our list of the 6 healthiest and easiest chicken recipes. Do you happen to know any healthiest and chicken recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. Bye!